Warren here at the Kitchen Classroom. We're doing a Moroccan-inspired carrot salad or warm carrot salad. We do a Moroccan class, it's one of our most popular classes, and this is probably my favorite dish out of it. I have served this to lots of parties. It's great because you can serve it warm, you can serve it room temperature, you can serve it cold. It's carrots, which are generally well liked, but also really inexpensive, and a lot of flavors to go with those carrots. So it's a great way to use some carrots, get them in your diet while having a flavorful and delightful dish. So we have a pan of water boiling. We're going to salt this pretty well. And then our carrots are gonna go in. And we'll put the lid back on and hit our timer for 15 minutes. When it starts boiling really rapidly, we'll turn it down a bit, maybe just take the lid off. The goal is the carrots to be cooked, but not be crunchy, and but not be mushy. We don't want to be able to make mashed carrots. We want them just cooked through, give a great texture, no crunchy bits in the end when you're eating the salad, but again, we don't want it falling apart. So on a little skillet here, we're gonna make sort of the condiment dressing for it. I have this on really low heat, just starting to warm up. We're going into some just raw sesame seeds, and we're gonna toast these. This is gonna take a couple minutes, but it's really worthwhile. Now, a lot of Asian markets and some other, and regular markets too, you can buy toasted sesame seeds. By all means, in a pinch, or if you use a lot of them, use those. But I don't go through a lot of them. I like to do them to order as I need them. It's great. You wanna use a stainless steel skillet, helps you see the colors that toast. Also, no need to use a non-stick skillet. So if you don't need a non-stick skillet, like for fish or eggs, there's no reason to use a non-stick skillet. You can just use stainless steel or aluminum. And we're just gonna gently move them around as they toast. Now that the seeds are in there, we're gonna give a little more heat just because, I don't wanna wait forever. You can go with as low a heat as you like. You can also do this in the oven. I do find toasting sesame seeds a little easier to do in a pan versus our bigger nuts and stuff I'd usually do in the oven because of the shape. But since these are small and flat, they're gonna get a nice layer on the bottom versus like a pecan, which would not really evenly toast well in a pan unless you chopped it up a lot. So again, we're just looking to get a light toast. It's gonna take 3-5 minutes, just depending on how hot you're going. But definitely adding a lot of flavor to the dish. So to go with this, we have our carrots and our sesame seeds. We have some thinly sliced celery. There's some parsley and cilantro that's been rough chopped, a little olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, a little bit of honey, a little bit of harissa, the Moroccan chili paste, and a little spice blend, which is cumin, coriander, and smoked paprika. See that color starting to develop? So we got pretty good color there. They're gonna keep cooking a little bit, but while they're going, we're gonna add in our oil. This is basically salad dressing a level of oil, extra virgin olive oil. Give that a little swirl, let the oil heat up a bit. Going in with our garlic. Not really trying to get a full saute on the garlic, but we want to take a little bit of the rawness off. Give it, 20-30 seconds in here. Now we're going to turn the pan off, let just the residual heat keep it cooking. Going with our spice blend, so we can get a little bit of toasting on the spices. Again, get those flavors out into the oil, help them get all around the dish. This is working great because our pan's cooling down as we do this. So we're going to go in with our harissa. Get that into the mix. The aroma now is absolutely killer. And we're going to go in with our honey. Honey is optional, but it usually helps, mellow out the harissa a little bit. And also with the carrots, it sort of pairs nicely. Gives us a little extra sweetness in the carrots. A lot of carrots can be starchy these days, so. And that is done. We're actually going to move this off the heat so that we don't have any more residual heat. And this is ready to go in our carrots as soon as they're done. We got about 7 minutes left on the carrots, so this is just going to sit here and be happy, and we'll drain the carrots in a bit. So we're going to test the carrots. It's been about 12 minutes. These are nice, sort of thinly cut in a way, not in a bad way, but just different, how you thick you cut them each time. It's just cooked through, a little crisp but not crunchy. These are good to go. So we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna go and drain these and I'll be right back. So we're back with our cooked carrots. We drained them, just put them right back in the pan. They're hot, they're gonna stay hot, that's fine. It's gonna help all the flavors come in. So we're gonna add in our little dressing mixture with the olive oil and the harissa and the spices and the toasted sesame seeds and the honey, garlic. We're gonna add in some thinly sliced celery and give a nice little crunch in there. Lemon zest and lemon juice for some acid. Give that a stir. Get everything nice and coated. And we're gonna add in our fresh herbs. Save a little bit for garnish on the top. So that's the dish. Warm Moroccan-inspired carrot salad, great hot, cold, or any way you like to serve it.